We're sharing with you a steak recipe so simple, so versatile, so mouth-wateringly delicious. You'll want to thank us. We accept your gratitude. This easy steak and peppers recipe is just the thing when you're craving steak, but don't have the time or desire to fire up the grill. You just need a few ingredients: a sharp knife, a hot skillet, and a little bit of patience as you wait to take that first scrumptious bite. Veggies sautéed in a bit of oil add another layer of flavor and a bit of healthiness to this dish. If you want to change things up a bit, consider adding sautéed broccoli, bok choy, mushrooms, or snow peas. Some bell peppers, onions, a little seasoning, and a delicious sauce combine in a symphony of flavors that seem to have been made for each other. Serve it over some rice or noodles for a complete meal that you may or may not be willing to share. Bon appetit!